Have you heard about the blue salt trick that's helping thousands of men get their confidence back? I thought it was just another internet scam, but I tried it. Just one simple mix in the morning. And within a few days, I noticed a difference. More energy, better circulation, and I actually started feeling like myself again. This blue salt trick helps boost nitric oxide levels naturally, improving blood flow and performance without pills or side effects. It's a natural, safe method that men are quietly using to feel younger and stronger again. Click the link in the pinned comment and see how to do the blue salt trick before this video gets deleted.